talking about? Fish bump.
Fish bump. Got her. We got her on the
Keep it down, keep it down. Oh, she's a 10, bro. Bring it to me, Rob. We got her, buddy.
Well, what up, Your Lake Fork Guide Nation? Joe's done dropped the trolling motor all the way down. We need to jack that thing up a little bit today, don't we, Joe? Look at this.
Yeah.
Look at this, y'all. Look at this, y'all.
This is insane.
New lake today, and it's got a little bit of grass.
Just a little bit.
Just a wee bit of grass. So we're going to do a day on the water series today. We're going to go catch some fish. I don't know how we're going to catch them in all this grass. Maybe a frog, maybe punching, maybe some swim baits. But we're fixing to get after their tails, so y'all stay tuned. Y'all see Joseph? He intentionally steered his line in my way and knocked that fish off my hook. Did y'all see that? That's how he plays.
Dang, he's skinny too. No wonder he's up there. Nice fish though, man. Finally.
Anchor.
Finally.
So Bevo Lottie. He got more head than he got body.
Old blind dude too. Well, he got one, I'm missing.
Oh.
No wonder he's so skinny. Go let him feed.
See ya. You got Joe. Look how poor he is. Oh, no, he's even worse. We got to get away from these fish. Apparently, the reason we're not catching them very good, Joe.
Look at that freaking fish.
Hey, the reason we're not catching them very good is because these fish don't know how to eat properly. You know what I'm saying? They're malnourished. What that is one of the ugliest. He's like he's all S-curve. That dude's got scoliosis. You caught a scoliosis bass.
Wow.
I've never seen one that does that S-curve down the back.
I think that's a fish. That's a fish. Yeah, that's a fish, right?
That's a bass, but that's not. We don't want to catch any more like that. That's weird.
Yeah, no.
Like I'm kind of freaked out right now. I'm not gonna lie. Damn it! He hit it like 4. Oh, dude! Wow, he's freaking swimming it. Get it! Oh my God! There's two. There's another one there. Dude, that's a big one. You got it. You got him though, because I gotta practice another one. You got him. He's got a sideways.
Let's go! Yeah, he came up in the boat.
Right here. Dude, we're on. Take off. Freaking chunk right there. Dude, that's a good fish. Let's get a quick pic of that.
Ooh, I'm hyped up. I'm hyped up.
That one just bit my eye at the boat. Just go a little bit. He hit once, like 4 other fish with it. I just broke off. Oh shit, dude. I just broke off. No. Dude, pick up. A good one. No. Oh, dude. Oh my God. Wait for him. Wait for him to run with us. Wait for him to move it.
Man, that was awesome.
God, it's going mud. Come on, Bill. Oh, I got him.
What just happened?
Dude, he was running that. He ran right at me when I set the hook. That's that new gizzard, baby. We got us a school going.
Dude,
son.
screw my GoPro. My GoPro.
Hey, remember what I told you once upon a time, Joe? How you know you're on the right fish? When you know you're on the dominant fish, look at how fat they are.
That is a fat
Hey, that's the fish that are eating that big bait, son. That's the fish eating them big baits. When you want to throw big swim baits, you got to look for fish that look like that. They don't have to be huge. Like that's a 3-pounder, 3.5-pounder. But they got to be fat because they're eating big bait. They'll be fat.
Nice.
Pretty fish. So fat.
I'm sweating, not because it's hot.
Dude, that's the orange giant. Dude, I want to be back in the boat. That was so cool. That was sick. Oh,
Dude, that's a good one.
I don't think I got him hooked very good.
He's flipping, dude.
Oh, he's right in the corner. I can't flip him.
Hey, you want to live him?
I got him. Get up in here,
Woo!
baby. This is getting real stupid real fast, if y'all can't tell. I mean, real stupid real fast. So,
That was insane.
dude, my screw lock's all torn up. Look, they. What you got, Jay? Joe? Can you handle him?
Yeah, he's not big.
Oh, that's a little bit, dude. This is just getting goofy now. Show him off. Joe, this is getting
This
really.
is getting insane, dude.
That's a little dude, but this is getting retarded.
Yeah.
We're gonna have to.
You mind pressing that button? Oh, never mind.
Just go ahead.
That's a good one.
Every cast.
That's a good one.
Every cast. This is Billy Lawson's Every Cast Guide service right here.
Dude, this is like 6.
What?
I'm serious.
Is he in that grass?
He's dug now.
That's the best thing that could have happened. He'll be quiet. Can you get him out of it? Troll to it if you need to.
He's coming, he's coming.
He's coming. He's coming.
Dang, and he felt huge. What the crap?
What are you talking about, 6?
That freaking felt giant.
You both flipped that little dink.
That felt giant, dude. He was digging so hard. Get in there, Billy. Golly.
Hey, man, my bait's so chewed up, I had to reorganize here.
Hey, you mind hitting that button? Hitting it again?
On your button?
Yeah. God, this fat fish.
Destroyed next
Woo! That's what I'm talking about, baby. Keep them coming. Man, I love it when they go in the water like that. Yeah, that's gonna work.
I'll be fine.
Yeah, you'll be fine. Yeah.
I'll be fine.
I'll catch him on a frog or start busting again.
There you go.
Dude, that was a good one, too.
There you go. There you go. Beautiful, Joe. Oh, I just got a flag left in my lane. He got it.
Oh, I got one too. I got one too. Yeah, baby. Oh, that's a good one too.
Trade me.
Dude, that's a good one.
Yeah, boy.
Look at him, look at him. Look at that mouth. Here, watch out, watch out, watch out.
Oh, that's a big one, bro. It's a long one.
Oh, yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Fish bump, fish bump.
Fish bump. Dude, he ate
Look,
that
he
thing.
ate that thing.
Show
too.
that to the camera. Oh,
Man,
6-inch
ate
slow
that
glider right there. Look at that thing.
Woo, baby.
I got the pipsqueak. Wait a minute. Mine's bigger. Mine's a giant.
Boy, what you
Mine's
talking
a
about?
giant.
Oh, yeah, mine's a giant, dude. Mine's got this flow glider in it as well.
Hey, man, fishing ain't easy, but it sure is fun.
It is awesome.
We got 99 problems, but a fish ain't one.
Yeah, boy, that was awesome, dude. That was so cool.
Look at this.
Dude, they are destroying that thing.
They're crushing it. Look at my poor. I'll name this bait. Look, Heath Taylor. I don't know what you're calling this, but my new name for this is G squared.
Dude, the tail is going.
That's Gary Gizzard right there. That's G squared right there. That boy is getting towed up from the flow up out here. Good night, son.
This is insane.
We have literally entered the insane asylum of bass fishing.
Yeah.
Over and I just sat down and watched you. You did a good job. brand new flutter spooner picture from Joe Spates, and I'm not allowed to show you. It's not ready for sale yet, but as soon as it gets ready for sale, I'll fill you in. Because this is the first time I've ever thrown that. Caught a fish. How long have I been throwing? 10 minutes? Not even 10 minutes. Not even 10 minutes. Caught a good one. Well guys, I'm really sorry about all the audio difficulty that we had in this video. I'm not sure what happened. My mic kind of wet the bed on me. I've got a new microphone that I'm now filming this outro on. The footage you just watched was filmed several days ago. So we've got a new mic. Hopefully we won't have any more audio issues. I really apologize to you about that. But man, what a day. As you guys can see, that's borderline smashing them right there. We got on them pretty darn good. We caught a lot of, we didn't catch any real, just huge, ginormous, giant bass. But boy, we caught a bunch of good fish. Had a big bag, 25 something pounds. Just a great day. Great day. And just for a little history, Joseph, the very first time he ever went bass fishing was with me on a guide trip several years ago now. He couldn't even throw a bait caster when I met him. So to see him be able to participate in a day like that, and he learned about a glide bait from me, and to watch him just smash him on that, man, it was, I'm not his father, but it was a little bit of a proud papa moment, So great day, truly blessed. So glad I got to experience. So glad we had the cameras turned on so that you guys could experience, because that was just an incredible amount of fun. Audio issues behind us. And if you guys would like to get you some of those little soft swim baits that I was catching my fish on, the one I was calling G Squared Gary Gizzard, I'll have it linked below. It's up on the SmashTechBaits.com website. You can order them right there. That link will be below. Be sure to check that out. Hit it. Hey, bassbug.com. We're still trying to get things going over there. If you want to come to a place and chat a little bit, talk a little fishing, talk a little outdoors, talk whatever with some like-minded outdoors type people, come see us on bassbug.com. Other than that, we appreciate you guys watching Your Lake Fork Guide as always. We hope you enjoyed it. If you did, hit that thumbs up. If you want to see more, subscribe. And we will see you guys next time right here on Your Lake Fork Guide. I hope that shows up. That's an otter right there. Look at that. There he is. What's up, little otter dude? See ya. He got one. Oh, I got one too. I got one too. Yeah, baby.
Fish bump.
Fish bump. Fishing ain't easy, but it sure is fun.
It is awesome.
We got 99 problems, but a fish ain't one.